All right, guys, it is time to open this box. Our very first unboxing. And as you can see, we're all excited for it. Are you guys ready to open up this box and see what's inside of it?
Yes!
Oh my gosh, here we go. Let's check it out. We wanted to make a video for our very first time of unboxing something. We were sent something by a good friend of ours at a company called Ultra Pro X. And seriously, we are so excited. Are you guys excited to see what's in this box?
Yeah.
And I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but the bird, Branson's been teaching the bird R2D2 sounds, and it's really starting to get it down. So in the next few weeks, we're gonna show you how our bird has learned R2D2, and Branson is pretty proud right now, actually. Anyway, we have this box right here. Pretty big box. We're gonna cut it open and show you guys what's inside, if you guys are really ready for it.
I'm so ready.
So what Ultra Pro X is, just so you guys know, Ultra Pro X is a camera. It's actually, it's like a GoPro. Only some of the features on these things are a lot better than GoPro, and the pricing is so much better than GoPro. So knowing that I think is why everybody's excited to see what's in this box. We told Ultra Pro X that we'd make some cool videos using whatever's in this box. So let's see what is in this box, guys. Sarah, will you hold the camera? All right, let's open the box. Safety first.
How's that safety?
I don't know.
Eager anticipation.
There you
Cass
go.
and Branson both have their
What
arms
is
folded
in the
waiting.
box? You ready?
Yes.
Wow, look at this.
Whoa.
We've got
Kids cameras.
yeah, sturdy mount right here. This is to mount. If you want to mount on the side of the box right here. Look at that.
That is cool.
So that's kind of cool, obviously, for a camera, right? And then look at this. This mounts on top of there, and then you put a camera on top of it, and blah, 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 right?
That's cool.
That's kind of cool.
That's
So put that back in the
awesome.
bag. We got, ooh, selfie stick.
Yeah. Nice.
And it has the mount for the Ultra Pro X cameras. So we got a couple of those. Man, what else we got here?
Waterproof case.
Waterproof case with a cord for it. So it looks like we have a chest mount.
Yes.
So that goes on your chest to mount the camera on your chest. A windshield mount. So you mount it to a window or glass or something, or a windshield, right? You got two of those. Head mounts. So this is for your head, to put a camera on your head.
Wow.
We've got another one for your head. We've got the floating devices for the camera. A little robot tripod here.
Yes.
That's cool.
That might be like an arm.
Oh yeah, I think this is an arm mount.
It's a Velcro.
It's either a head mount or an arm mount. You guys ready for this?
Yes.
Look at this. This is called the Adventure Cam X from Ultra Pro X. This is a 720p with a 2-inch LCD screen on it. This is a kid's cam. This is a camera for little kids like you and you and you. And guess what? There are 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 of them?
So you, and Canyon get a camera to yourself
So awesome.
to make a killer video. Holy cow, are you guys happy with the guys over Ultra Pro X right now?
I'm so happy.
Oh
I'm
my
gonna
God.
buy. I'm
So
gonna
what's-
keep this box forever.
So what's cool about this is, look, you have all of the accessories inside. You have a waterproof case inside of there. You've got a handlebar mount like we talked about for the bike. You have all these other different mounts. Look at all these different mounts. You've got the charger, you've got the batteries, you've got all the adapters. Everything comes with it.
That's
Now,
awesome.
I'm gonna pick on GoPro for a minute. GoPro doesn't do that. You have to buy all the accessories separately, right?
Yeah.
Ultra Pro X
That is
right
so
now.
awesome.
Oh my goodness.
We're pretty happy with-
I'm so happy. I'm gonna keep
That is
this.
awesome.
Yeah. So the kids cam they make, and the Adventure Cam 7 is one that is a full HD 1080p. So it does full HD, 12 megapixel still picture, so it does a regular camera. It does time lapse, it's waterproof, and it's digital zoom. So these actually zoom like a regular camera. So cool. And of course, they have all the accessories too. Holy cow.
So awesome.
So look, you have that one, and we have these two right here for, who do you think?
Alex, yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Sweet.
That's awesome.
And then look at this. We also have, so the Adventure Cam 8 has all those other things with it, except for it also has Wi-Fi. So this one sets up to work with your app. So it's a free Wi-Fi app, also waterproof, 30-piece accessory kit with this thing, just like the other ones. Isn't that crazy? Look, and we have a couple of those. One for the dashboard of the car, and one for Branson.
Sweet.
What do you guys think about that?
That is
So
awesome.
Do you think we can make some cool videos with these?
Yes.
Like, what are you thinking about? Like, what kind of ideas do you have? In fact,
Long
what
way.
kind of ideas do you guys have for us to make some cool videos with these things? We really want to make sure that we test these things out and show all the cool things that they can do. Give us some ideas. We have the canyon, we can ride longboards, and we can ride our bikes. We can go to 7 Peaks and do some fun stuff down the slides. Let us know what you guys think we should do, because we're going to do it. We're going to do some crazy stuff with these. But there it is. We're going to put one of these on the dashboard of the car so we can see kind of where we're going and do the time lapse. Couple more here. Adventure Cam 10 from Ultra Pro X. This thing does 4K Ultra HD video. 10 frame photo burst, wireless remote. Look at this. This one has a remote, so you actually just you just can set it up over there, and you just push the record button
That's awesome.
with this. Oh, and by the way, they all have the LCD screen on the back, so you can always see what's in the frame. Isn't that cool?
That's awesome.
Wow.
These cameras right here, this one right here is competitive with the top of the line GoPro, right? It does the same things and then some. It actually has the zoom lens like they don't have, GoPro. And this right here is about 30% of the price. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post a link below in the description so we can help them sell some more since they did this for us. I'm gonna post a link in the description below so you can go and check them out, because if you're in the market for a camera that you can take anywhere and it's waterproof, this is the one, because I'm telling you, the price is worth it, but all the features and the benefits and having all of the accessories within the box makes it all worth it. And you're gonna see in the videos in the next coming weeks us using it, and we're gonna test it out and see if it really is worth it. So go check out the link below to check out their website, because these guys are awesome. Little family-owned business. I've met them, great people, just awesome people, and I'm so grateful and happy that they sent us to you. What do you guys think?
That's amazing.
By the way, look, there's one for me and mommy.
Wow.
So me and mommy get our both our own. So do we really want to see a head cam on mommy cooking dinner?
Yes. Yes.
Anyway, we want to hear your ideas, guys. We really want to know what you think we should be using these for, because we want to see some really cool video come out of this, and we really want to make sure that we let Ultra Pro X cameras, the guys over there, the team over there, know how much we appreciate what they just sent to us. We are going to make some killer videos with this for you guys and show you what they can do. One more thing with this Ultra Pro X camera, we're going to be doing a giveaway. Not on this video, but the video we do to show all the full potential of this camera. We're gonna do a giveaway, and we're gonna include you guys in on that giveaway. So we're gonna put that together. We'll get with Ultra Pro X and their team and figure out what best works to help promote this camera for them. But seriously, these guys are so cool. Look what they just sent us. Are you kidding me?
I love
Are you kidding me?
I love them.
And look at this. Ultra Pro X backpack. So you put them on like this, and you can cinch them down. You can put your Ultra Pro in there with all the accessories and put it on your back and go wherever you want to go. So. Ultra Pro X unboxing. Guys at Ultra Pro, thank you so very much. We're gonna make some cool videos. Guys, are you excited? What do you say? What do you tell Ultra Pro X?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, and to you Tannerites fans, again, let us know what you think we should do with these cameras, because we're doing it for you. We're doing it for you. We're doing it for you. So make sure you let us know what you think we should do in the comments below. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and do what you always do, which is be awesome. We love you guys. Have a good day. We love you. Good night.
What? I can see your feet.
What? You can see my feet?
Yes.
Seriously, Sarah has never ever taken a snap
Like this.
between her fingers and did this with it. Never ever done it. So right here, right now, you're gonna see.
Okay,
You're gonna see Sarah doing it.
I haven't done either.
Oh, you haven't? Okay, here we go.
I'm not crazy.
Oh, here we go. This is gonna be good.